I'm speaking with Nate Beavers. Nate is president of the Automotive Aluminum Advisors. So Nate, in this age of ACES vehicles, how important is lightweighting?
It's actually critically important, Kate. If you look at the vehicle architectures today and the vehicles that are being designed for tomorrow, lightweighting is a key component to the OEMs and the supplier strategy. So whether it's a ICE, a traditionally internally combustion engine powered vehicle, or an electric vehicle for tomorrow, lightweighting is really critically important for the OEMs in the industry to help meet regulatory requirements, the range that the vehicles are looking to achieve, especially with EVs, and then the driving performance and consumer requirements. We see a lot of growth in some key areas. So in terms of aluminum stampings, the highest growth areas and conversions from steel to aluminum that we see are in the closure panels. So think hoods, doors, lift gates. Those are the highest growth areas right now, along with body and white applications for traditionally powered vehicles, but even more so for the EVs. On average, we see substantially more aluminum content in an electric vehicle versus a traditionally powered vehicle. And again, that's because of the range requirements, which really drives increased penetration of aluminum. And then a third area which we're really excited about are the battery enclosures and the battery packs for EVs. Those, again, tend to utilize a lot of aluminum, and another area that we're highly focused on.
How can stampers get help from your alliance?
Yeah, that's great. First and foremost, they can visit our website or give us a call, but we offer a broad range of strategic support. All of our experts have spent their entire careers in the aluminum industry, leading major program launches in various industries such as aerospace, automotive, and defense. Really deep, broad experience in automotive. And where we're helping the stampers out, it can range from helping them navigate their purchasing options and supply arrangements with the various mills to design and engineering support, all the way through stamping, whether it's hot stamping, cold stamping, or warm stamping processes. All of our experts have a wealth of knowledge and deep experience in these different areas to be able to help the stampers win in this transformation.